All right guys, what's up? We're back in the shop today with the M2. We're putting on some goodies finally, fixing like the last bit of issues that the car has. If you look down here on my left, you'll see our replacement subframe. I showed this previously in videos, but there's a pretty massive dent here on this subframe out of the M2. So it's kind of like one of the last things I'm gonna do is replace the diff bushings while I'm in here. So we're doing the ECS Poly dual mount Turner Motorsports ECS bushing, rear differential bushing kit. And the car also is missing some e-brakes. I had previously mentioned this in another video, but we're gonna be doing these parking brake clips and spring kit with new parking brake shoes and some lowering springs while we're at it, H&R Reds. So let's get to it. We got the subframe out of the car and basically everything stripped. We're gonna go ahead and reassemble everything and capture it a lot better. So let's go ahead and do that.
Once you figure it out, it's easy. So this is the right way up. But how long will it take him to figure?
Yeah. Look at that. Riding upside down.
Yeah, you can't figure it out. You just put it back the same way you took it up. How many miles is that? 20, 30, 10?
20,000 on the motor, 30,000 on the tranny, 40,000 on the chassis.
There you go. It's always 10 above everything else.
If you like this video, be sure to check out the next one, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and like the video. It helps a lot. Thanks, and see you in the next one.